Jai Gurudev. In this tutorial, we'll be going through three main layer styles which we generally use. One is stroke, one is drop shadow, one is outer glow. For that, let's move to Photopea. Now, I'm going to demonstrate stroke, or simply put, it's an actually outline. So for that, click on the layer for which you want to add this layer style. Double click on that layer. Um, so when you double click, you have to double click on the right side so that the text is not, the layer name is not selected. So you can see various layer styles in here. So here I am going to explain you about stroke. What stroke will do is it will give a outline around that particular layer. So here you can see a red outline is coming around Gurudev's layer. You can increase or decrease the thickness of that outline. You can either say it should be outside the image or it should be inside the image. Generally we keep it outside the image, and you can also change uh, the color of the stroke. Okay, so I am going to point a particular color on the image, and it is automatically selected in the color picker, and I click OK again. You can see Gurudev's image now has come in a matching color. So this is the first layer style I wanted to explain. The second layer style is drop shadow. For drop shadow, I am going to select on the layer happiness. Now double click on the layer style will open up. Click on drop shadow. Now you can see that there is a shadow that is coming, behind. But most of the time it does not look good immediately until you play around with the options. So you generally have to play around with distance, spread and size. So you can reduce the distance between the shadow and the object, increase the spread a little bit, increase the size a little bit, or reduce the size a little bit again, reduce the spread. So now you can see a little bit of 3D effect has come on to for that text layer. So you don't have to use this for every single layer. This is generally used for highlighting a particular thing, or you want to give attention to any particular object on your screen. If you give shadow to every single layer, it will look like a mess. Alright, so right now I am disabling this shadow. Now if you want to keep it enabled, click on this and click OK, and then you will have this particular shadow visible. Alright, now to disable the shadow, there is another option. You can click on the I button near to drop shadow, which I got by clicking on this arrow button against happiness. Alright, that is how you add drop shadow. Now outer glow is something that you give in a dark poster. So here the poster is actually light, so the outer glow will not be quite visible. But then we can always try something. Um, I'm going to draw a shape. All right. So you can see the shape is now above the meditator but below the Gurudev's image, which is why Gurudev's image is visible. All right. I'm moving Gurudev's image. For moving Gurudev's image, I am clicking on the move tool and then moving Gurudev's image. I'm changing this shape. Before we go into color to outer glow, I'll explain you something called color overlay. What color overlay will do is it will completely change the color of that object. So you can click on this red button and click some, on some dark color. So what will happen is now the rectangle is actually having that color which we gave in color overlay. Click OK. Now I am going back to Gurdev's image. For showing outer glow, I am removing stroke. Alright, now I am double clicking on FX. You can see the FX has opened up. Now I am going to click on outer glow. Sorry, not drop shadow, outer glow. Alright, now you only have to work around with spread and size. So if you increase the spread and if you increase the size, you can see something like a glow has come around Gurdev's image. All right. This is like I said, if there is some color or something in the background, if it is white, this glow will not be visible. Uh, yeah, so that's that. I'm just clicking OK. You can see if I remove this background layer and if I move Gurdev's image to the right, you are actually not seeing any outer glow that is there, right? Which is because the background is white. So I'm opening the stroke again, and that those are the three layer styles which I wanted to explain. All right, that's all for this tutorial. Thank you.